Hey there, I am fresh out of the pool with my wet hair recording this video today. I'm really excited about this video today because it answers kind of a big question. I hear this all the time when I'm on podcasts, and we hear this from people who talk about our swim school, which is, can I really learn to swim online, right? You're watching this online. Does this really work? Because it isn't our go-to thing to think swimming lessons, I should go look online first. We tend to think I need somebody to show me and be with me and in the water doing all the things with me. So I'm going to be reading one student's experience of using the online program and how he found so much success. It's really important that we can craft a vision of something new, which is really what your whole Learn to Swim experience is about, crafting a new vision for yourself and being in the water. So let's jump on in and hear about Richard's experience. Here we go. This is what Richard shared with us. When I found this program, I was looking for something to help me relax for my upcoming swim lessons. I found a YouTube video by Corey and clicked on the link to the free course. I liked the approach of the class and signed up for the membership portion and started with the foundations class. I was skeptical that it would work, but I knew that I would have to be able to fully relax so that I could be able to do the lessons, his in-person lessons he was going to do, and thought this maybe was the best and only way to do it. Now, just as a side note, Richard had done other swimming lessons in the past and didn't necessarily find a lot of success in it. So he was giving it another try, wanted a new approach. Once I started the class, I was amazed at how well it worked. I liked the fact that I could go at my own pace. I also liked the fact that this progression is meant to teach you to survive and to have fun in the water, and that this can be done without doing a perfect front crawl or completing the so-called perfect float. I like the fact that you are allowed to learn through having fun. Being able to go at your own pace was so helpful and eliminated most of the stress that an adult learning to swim may face. I learned how important this was when I did complete my first in-person lesson at my local community center. I found that with those lessons, the pace was too quick. There wasn't much of a chance to be able to slow down. It was just go, 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 go. With the Calm Within online program, going at your own pace is one of the foundations of the program. It is okay to not have everything perfect and to make mistakes and to discover what works and what doesn't work. What surprised me the most is that all I needed was a guarded pool, a phone, and the right attitude to learn to swim. The feedback throughout was outstanding. You might be alone at the pool, but help and encouragement are only an email away. I was surprised with the investment that is made in you by the instructors. I would most definitely learn to swim this way again. I would recommend this program to any adult who wants to learn to swim and has struggled with it in the past. Even if it's just the foundations class, you will be able to gain the confidence to be okay if you accidentally find yourself in deep water. The feeling of being able to complete a 10-minute float in the deep water just a few weeks after not being able to swim at all was amazing. And the fact that the instructors are just as or even more excited than you that you can really do this displays the interest that this program has in you learning to swim. I started this program in October, and by November, I had completed a 10-minute float. After 4 months, I have approximately 75 to 80 hours of pool time. I can front crawl with fins for 25 yards at a time, backstroke with fins for 1,000 meters in 32 minutes, tread water for a few minutes with relative ease, and float on my front and my back with ease. The pool used to be a place that I would secretly dread. I could never fully utilize it and had to deal with the personal embarrassment of not being able to swim. I was always the oddball that had to be accommodated due to not having this valuable skill. Now I can't wait to get to the pool every week and see what new levels I can get to with my swimming skills. Without this program, I would have gone that in-person lesson and struggled mightily. I think I would have been completely frustrated and may have given up on myself and resigned myself to the fact that I wouldn't ever be a swimmer. But I am so glad that I took the chance and went for it. It changed my life, and I've never been so excited for summer lake days as I am this year. If you're on the fence, just go for it. You will not regret it. Thanks, Richard. We loved hearing your story. It is the story of so many people. The piece from the regret to the piece of being able to overcome it. I am, and I was so excited for you, and I still am. Standing ovation, beautiful, beautiful work. Staying with it, being curious, having fun, sending me feedback so I could give you feedback. It is all amazing. Does learning to swim online work? It really does. One step at a time. We'd love to see you in here. Come grab your introduction if you're just listening to this YouTube video. And let's get you started on your way to having the most fun ever. Bye.